Hey, good day everyone. I'm super excited to bring you this pet grooming table I have here. Here's everything that came in the box. First thing we're going to do though is flip this thing on its top and put the feet on right there. It comes with 4 of those. Now we're going to put this guy right here. Then we'll put this guy on right next to it. Plug facing out. Okay, now we're going to hook it up to the power, and how this works is this is going to plug into the wall, then the plug from the table is going to go right in here. You'll see it only has like 5 prongs, then the other one for the foot pedal goes in right here. There we go. And the table's coming right up. Okay, on the front of this too, got USB and some plug-ins here. So we'll just plug that right into the wall. Initial height is 24 centimeters. Max height is 100 centimeters. Okay, now we can finish putting the rest of this together. This piece here is going to hook on right here on the left side, just like that. This piece here is going to go on the right side. Then we'll take these two here, and we stick them right down here. Just tighten it up right there. Now we'll take these 2 pieces and this one long piece for our top piece. It goes on like this because that way you can slide it all the way up or all the way down. Okay, to make it easier, I'm just putting the bar in first, and then I'm going to slide this down over the uprights. These and just clip them right up here. And maybe the midsection through here, and then right in front of the hind legs. This piece right here hooks onto this tab right there. And this foot pedal here, it can either sit on the ground or it sits nicely right in that slot there. We got our grooming vacuum right there. Sits nicely on the table.
Right here.
Hey, this electric table is perfect for dog grooming. It's really nice because you can lower it down to the ground and allow them to get on there. We had to lure our dog on with a treat at first just to get familiarized with it. But once we got him on there and got the table raised up, we didn't have any problem with it at all. It's nice and quiet, nice, smooth, elevate and lowering as well. But he tolerated this really well, and this is a perfect grooming table. Thanks for watching.